Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I'm not in my kitchen. I'm actually in a empty classroom having my lunch because I don't like eating in the staff room. I like my privacy. I like having time, my me time, so that I can enjoy my lunch. And I thought that I would share what I'm having today so that you can see what I like to eat as an example. All right, and hopefully keep you guys on track too with your health journey and some ideas and tips, of course, right? So I just want to tell you that I like a fresh salad every day. Well, most days. Sometimes I like to shake it up with a stir fry or raw veggies or grilled veggies or steamed veggies, but a good portion of veggies because it keeps you regular and it keeps you full and satisfied for a longer amount of time, okay? So you can see that I have a huge salad. I got into making these massive salads a while ago, and I just love them because you can add anything, all right? So I have romaine lettuce, I have spinach. You can see it's nice and colorful. I'm just gonna put the camera this way. I have red peppers, I have yellow peppers, I have some green apple, some blueberries, I have cucumbers and zucchini. So really, I like to use whatever's in my fridge. I put in broccoli, I put in asparagus, I put in whatever veggies I feel like to bulk it up. And kale sometimes, you can really make it your own, and whatever fruit as well. I love different berries in my salad. Now, you notice what is on top. I have some sunflower seeds, which is for extra protein, and on WW, sorry, my hair is in my face. What else is new? It's 1 smart point per tablespoon. And I even keep toasted almonds, okay? And I love the flavor, it gives a little bit more crunch, and of course, variety is the spice of life. So any seed or nut, if you're allowed them, you're in a private room and brush your teeth, obviously. And when you toast them, they just taste better. So I'm gonna have this huge salad, but what am I gonna have on top of it? Okay, so my new favorite thing has been, actually for a while, is I love some balsamic vinegar, okay? And I just sprinkle some on, and my sugar-free raspberry or blueberry or whatever flavor syrup, and OMG, I can't even express how much I love it. And then sometimes I might add a little bit of some ranch or Caesar dressing just to make it a little creamier if you want. Okay, it's not necessary because I'm telling you, it is super duper delicious, all right? You have to trust me on this one. And I buy the sugar-free syrups at the low-carb grocery store here in Canada, but I'm sure if you go online, this is by Da Vinci, and I'm sure there's other brands that you can get. You can go to your bulk store or health food stores, okay, or go on Amazon. Doesn't Amazon have everything? Okay, so what's my protein? All right, so I made my egg bites, and I love them hot or cold. This is my turkey bacon ones. You see the turkey bacon? And you can see the broccoli. I have different veggies in here that I stir fried, which I love, and I'm gonna have a few of them. I have a little bit that I've already eaten one, and you check out that video. And I have other egg bite recipes as well. And then for dessert, I actually forgot, I have my sugar-free Jell-O, but it's in the fridge. And I found, look at this, beautiful, already cut up cantaloupe. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes with cantaloupe, if you keep it out too long, it gets so super mushy, although you could freeze it and use it for a smoothie, okay? That's a tip. But I love when you can just have it when it's sweet and a nice orange color, okay? And so that's basically, I have my water, okay, my club soda. Club soda and different flavors you can get, that keeps you fuller longer as well. So having a well-balanced meal is really key. And sometimes I'll have a tortilla with it, or I'll have a pierogi, rice cake. Today it's a lower carb, because sometimes what I like to do is when I'm having a big carb for dinner, I'll have a less carb for lunch, or no carb. And then I'll have it maybe as a snack, or vice versa. If I'm gonna have a lot of carbs at lunch, then I have less at dinner. But that's just me. That's what I like to do. I'm not telling you what to do, but that's something that I like to do, okay? And I also have my thermos with my coffee, because that's gonna help wake me up working with these diagnostic kindergarten children. OMG, let's see. I'm at 20, I don't know if you can see it on my watch. I'm at 20,000 steps, and it is only 12:46 in the afternoon. I know, I'm a busy, busy woman. I only sit when I'm eating lunch, and I'm doing this video right now to help you guys. And now I gotta go eat because I'm starving. I can't wait to eat this. I'm gonna have some of my apples. So, what's for lunch? Big salad, my egg bites, and that's what's for lunch today. So check out my recipes. I have so many. All my ingredients and directions are under each video. You know that, I hope. Subscribe, share, comment. What do you think? Comment. If you change it up, comment, okay? And of course, tell other people. You don't have to be on WW Wellness That Works to enjoy all my recipes, tips, podcasts, because everything is versatile, okay? Even in recipes, people say, well, if you use chicken, can you use turkey? Of course. Can you use beef? Of course. Change it up. You want a different spice? Change it up. So that's it. I'm gonna go eat my what's for lunch today. And love you guys. Take care. Mwah. Bye for now.